করি, কিছু মজা যেটা আমরা পাবো সেটা আমরা করব। ওকে, সো আই উড রিকোয়েস্ট অল অফ ইউ, প্লিজ স্ট্যান্ড আপ wherever you are. সবাই কিন্তু বিছানা থেকে নিচে দাঁড়াবে। Okay, all of you will come down and stand on the floor and we will do one rhymes with action. Okay, we will do one rhymes with action. So all of you come down. Come down. Yes, very good. And I will request everybody, please mute yourself so that you can hear the sound, whatever sound I am playing over here. Okay, please mute yourself so that you can hear the sound whatever we are playing from here. Okay, so we are going to start with a rhyme that is rain, rain, go away. You can see that it is raining so much, right? কালকেও খুব বৃষ্টি হয়েছে, তার আগের দিনও খুব বৃষ্টি হয়েছে, এত বৃষ্টি হয়ে গেছে আমরা বৃষ্টি থেকে বোর হয়ে যাচ্ছি। তাহলে আমরা কি বলবো? রেন রেন go away. Okay, so how we will do this rhyme? We will be using one umbrella for that, because during the rainy season we use umbrella, right? And in the rainy season what we can see here, can you see the clouds? Yes, these are the clouds. And during the clouds, when it is raining, we can hear lots and lots of thunderstorm, right? খুব জোরে জোরে বাজ পড়ে, শুনতে পেরেছো তো সবাই? তাহলে আমরা কি করব? আমরা রেনকে এবার বলবো rain rain go away. Okay, so how we will start with a rhyme? Just listen to the music and all of you do the dance with me. Okay, ready? All of you ready? Just show me a thumbs up. Just show me a thumbs up. Okay, everybody is ready now.